Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. If it's your first time here, thank you for stopping by. We are at deer camp. Actual season is about 3-4 weeks away yet, but it's public land and we're going to come out here and check it out, see if everything's still the same, and where we plan on sitting opening morning. Hopefully we're the first ones there, because you never know with public land. But yeah, pull in, you got the little camp area right behind me here. It's kind of like a natural punch bowl out front here. And we've got fire trails that go all the way around. And we've got fire trails that run back there and come in. A couple of ravines that go before you get to those trails. So yeah, we're just kind of trying to make a general plan. And then I'll bring you back out here when it's actual hunting season and show you some live action this year. Alright, so away we go down the first fire trail. So yeah, you're thinking maybe try to set up somewhere in here and watch this.
Valley, because isn't there another trail that goes up this way down?
Yeah, there's another trail straight ahead.
We already been here before.
We did. We sat down here one day.
It was right there.
Yeah, and then those hunters came by.
Yeah. I remember this spot.
And of course, if I would have been recording a few minutes earlier, we kicked one up right out of this area. This log actually looks like a tempting seating spot. Kind of watch that hillside there. And where everything kind of comes to a point down here. Alright, back up to the trail. Dead end down that way, and that's the way back. Little spike bug. So I don't know if I got that deer on camera, but just a few steps ahead we got a nice scrape right here. Haven't noticed any really good rubs yet. but we're just going to come on down the trail a little further and explore a little more. So just up a little ways and to the right, this doesn't look like a bad area. Pretty good field of view. And I don't mean depth because it is kind of thick back here, but you can kind of see. What do you think? Boot problems?
Yeah.
Technical difficulties.
The strings are on.
Maybe. You like this area or no?
Not really, just because there are a lot of trees in the way.
Kind of thick?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, well, we got plenty of area to check out. We can keep looking. Alright, so coming out of just that very first fire trail, and a finger off of it, we saw 3 deer. I think we got 2 on video. I'll try to show you those. But there's another trail back that way. I think we're going to go take a look at that.
Watch your footing.
Usually this gate's closed. We'll see if it's closed when we come down to hunt. You can walk back there, but they just don't want vehicle traffic back there. So we're talking about maybe putting Grandpa right off the trail here. Not too far from camp because just make it a little easier for him. But there's another trail that goes off that way that we're going to go try to take a look at here. What do you know it? I couldn't get the camera on fast enough, but right here at the entrance of this trail, there was probably, that guy was probably at least a 6-pointer. His rack was kind of thick, had some thicker beams. Had some thicker beams, and I think he took off with a doe, which would make sense. It is the rut. And I guarantee he's not too far back there. Alright, so this area is a little bit thicker than what we thought it would be. It might be pretty hard to see. Well, it is kind of hard to see very far and get a good clean shot. So I don't know if we're going to set anybody down here first thing opening morning. So I think the plan for me and Marshall, at this point anyways, when we get here, you never know, that might change depending on who's all here. So I think we're going to head down there and probably post. If we go all the way down, we'll post off to the left. If we go about halfway or 3/4, we'll post off to the right. But I think that's the majority of the scouting we're going to do today. There's a dirt road or a mud road out front of the land here that took you all the way around. Got down to a bridge, and they took that bridge out. It was getting kind of dilapidated. Took it out last year, but we're going to go down and see if they rebuilt it by any chance. It'd be nice if they did. Just more access to more areas. So that's next.
Yeah. Oh, my pizza. Whee! Just wait. If you pause it, who knows what it will. A crocodile? That's why I saw a crocodile. Great. Your head's in the your head was in the picture. What? What? Your head was in the video. Try to stop him because there's a trail. And I'm gonna see if he wants to get some footprints on
All right, road closed. It's like I say, it kind of sucks for access. Animal tracks, deer tracks. Yeah, here's the old bridge. That they figured just wasn't quite solid enough for driving across anymore. And you can probably make out the road up there. So it goes up and then curves around to the right and goes all the way around the property. The creek right here.
Pretty soft.
Yeah, and there was some good spots to hunt back in that area. But that'd be quite the hike to get back there and get in and out.
Possibly,
Go ahead.
possibly.
Yeah, you see all the tracks.
Well, I think we have a general idea or a general plan of what we're going to do this year. It's family tradition. We've been bringing these boys out here since, I don't know, how many times have you been hunting now?
This will be my 5th.
Yeah. And me and Blake, my brother, we've been coming out here since we were just a little older than them. So every year we come out, check it out. And like I say, this bridge being closed was new last year. I was hoping maybe it'd be open again. Unfortunately not. But it is what it is. And next video might be a few more target shots just to make sure we're zeroed before season. And then before long, we'll have some action shots of actually hunting this year. Thanks for watching. Until the next time.